Smart IELTS Prediction and Last-Minute Strategies. 9th November 2025, IDB and British Council. Before you start, join our Telegram group for daily speaking and writing updates, plus reading PDFs and listening audios from recent exams. Practice complete listening tests on our YouTube channel. Visit our websites for the latest cue cards, Band 9 essays, and CBT mock tests. www.ielts1stop.com, www.ielts1stopcbt.com. Reading, Trends and Tips. Reading tips for 9th November. Scan for keywords and their synonyms, underline and highlight them while reading. Complete each passage in approximately 18 minutes to manage time effectively. For matching headings, check the first and last sentence of each paragraph carefully. For true-false not given, rely only on explicit facts, avoid personal assumptions. Use elimination, cross out obviously wrong options first. Keep an eye on paraphrased words, IELTS often changes phrasing. Likely academic topics: climate change and environmental sustainability, human psychology and decision-making, advances in renewable energy, communication technologies and digital evolution, history of scientific innovations. Likely GT topics: workplace instructions and rules, travel and tourism brochures, job advertisements and applications, volunteer work notices, local community events and announcements. Practice real-style reading tests. www.ielts1stop.com. Listening, expected sections and strategies. Listening tips for 9th November. Predict answer types before listening: number, name, noun, or place. Listen carefully for contrast, emphasis, and change markers like however, in contrast, actually. Answers are usually in order. Follow the audio sequence. Check plurals, spelling, and small details. They can cost marks. Take quick notes while listening to capture essential details. If unsure, guess logically. Leaving blanks loses marks. Likely pattern. Section 1. Booking enquiry, hotel, travel, or event. Section 2. Community or local announcement. Section 3. Academic discussion or research group. Section 4. Lecture on environment, psychology, or technology. Practice CBT listening tests. www.ielts1stopcbt.com. Writing, task predictions and advice. Writing tips for 9th November. Clearly state your opinion or main idea in the introduction. One idea per paragraph, support with a strong example or reasoning. Paraphrase the question naturally, avoid repeating words. For task 1, focus on main trends, comparisons, and overall patterns. Leave 4 to 5 minutes to proofread, check grammar, coherence, and linking words. Use connectors like in contrast, on the other hand, overall to summarize. Academic task 1 predictions. Line graph, population, unemployment, or economic growth trends. Bar chart, internet usage, energy consumption. Table, education statistics, tourism numbers. Process, recycling, water filtration, coffee production. Academic task 2 predictions. 1. Should schools teach financial literacy? Agree or disagree. 2. Artificial intelligence's impact on employment, pros and cons. 3. Longer life expectancy challenges and possible solutions. 4. Online learning versus classroom learning, which is more effective. 5. Governments should prioritize public transport over private vehicles. Discuss both views. General training letter predictions. Requesting flexible working hours. Complaining about poor or delayed services. Inviting a friend to an event. Informing neighbors about construction work. Seeking guidance or advice. Free Band 9 samples. www.ielts1stopcbt.com. Speaking, cue cards and parts. Smart tips for 9th November. Speak naturally and confidently. Don't memorize answers. Connect ideas with phrases like, from my perspective, it often happens that, a personal example is. Support opinions with real-life examples. Storytelling is key. Focus on pronunciation, intonation, and smooth pauses. Clarity beats speed. Avoid fillers like or short pauses are better. Use varied vocabulary and idiomatic expressions to show lexical range. 1-to-1 IELTS speaking and writing classes. 7-day intensive, 1-month packages, free demo available. Likely cue cards, September-December 2025. 1. Describe a book you read that you found useful. 2. Describe a successful sportsperson you admire. 3. Describe a time you saw something interesting on social media. 4. Describe a time when you told your friend an important truth. 5. Describe a good habit your friend has and you want to develop. 6. Describe an exciting activity you have tried for the first time. 7. Describe a time when the electricity suddenly went off. 8. Describe a time when someone apologized to you. 9. Describe a singer whose music or songs you like. 10. Describe an occasion when you lost your way. 11. Describe a talk you gave to a group of people. 12. Describe the city you have been to and would like to visit again. 13. Describe a popular place for sports, example, a stadium that you have been to. 14. Describe a time when you saw a lot of plastic waste, example, in a park on the beach. 15. Describe an important decision made with the help of other people. Part 1 topics: daily life, hobbies and free time, technology use, travel experiences, music and entertainment. Part 3 themes: influence of technology, environmental awareness, decision making and problem solving, cultural changes, health and lifestyle. Band 9 speaking samples. www.ielts1stop.com